चलें जी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 सॉल्व करते हैं। यहाँ पर हमें प्रूफ करना है कि किसी भी स्क्वायर में जो डायगोनल्स हैं, पहला दे विल बी इक्वल टू ईच अदर, सेकंड दे विल बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर एंड थर्ड इज दे विल बी परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर। तो ये तीन चीज़ें हमें प्रूफ करनी है स्क्वायर में रिलेटेड टू डायगोनल्स। So of course we'll start with what's given to us. So given to us is ABCD is a square and जो आपका diagonals हैं AC and BD they are intersecting at point O. After given comes what we have to prove. तो हमें यहाँ पर जो प्रूफ करना है, तीन चीज़ें प्रूफ करनी है। पहला diagonals equal हैं, AC and BD are equal. दूसरा they bisect each other, so we have to prove AO and OC length are equal. Third we have to prove that they are perpendicular to each other or angle AOB is 90 degree. Let's check proof of it. तो प्रूफ के लिए हम यहाँ पर जो स्क्वायर से रिलेटेड फैक्ट यूज़ करेंगे कि किसी भी स्क्वायर में सारी साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं और सारे एंगल्स इक्वल होते हैं। सो लेट्स अज्यूम ऑल द साइड्स आर इक्वल्स टू x and all the angles are equal, so each angle will be of 90 degree. तो प्रूफ के लिए विल कंसिडर टू ट्राइंगल्स, ट्राइंगल ABC एंड ट्राइंगल BAD, दैट इज दिस येलो ट्राइंगल एंड दिस पिंक ट्राइंगल। दिस टू ट्राइंगल्स वी आर कंसिडरिंग। इन ट्राइंगल्स में अगर आप देखेंगे तो AB एंड BA दीज आर कॉमन। फिर उसके बाद जो है आपका जो लेंथ एंगल है ABC, सो दिस एंगल ABC दैट्स दिस 90 डिग्री एंड एंगल BAD that also is 90 degree and thus they are equal. And third one is जो side lengths है BC and AD, these are sides, opposite sides of a square and thus they are equal. So here we can say that by side angle side जो दोनों ट्राइंगल हैं ABC and triangle BAD they are congruent to each other by side angle side congruency. क्योंकि ये दोनों ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट है तो हम यहाँ बोल सकते हैं कि इनके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट्स भी इक्वल होंगे। सो द साइड लेंथ AC एंड साइड लेंथ BD दे आर इक्वल टू ईच अदर बाय CPCT, बट AC एंड BD these are the diagonal lengths, so we can say that in a square diagonals are always equal, and that was first part we had to prove. Now let's check the second part and third part, that is they bisect each other and they are perpendicular to each other. Okay, अब यहाँ second part में हमें prove करना है that diagonals they bisect each other. Now to prove that diagonals bisect each other, we'll consider two triangles, triangle AOB and triangle COD. That is this yellow triangle here and this pink triangle we are considering. Now in these two triangles, angle BAO is equals to angle DCO, that is this angle here is equals to this angle. Why they are equal? Because AB and DC these are parallel to each other and CA is transverse, so these are alternate interior angles and thus they are equal. Second is we can say that angle AOB and angle COD, these are your vertically opposite angles and thus they are equal. Third is your side length AB and CD, these are equal because these are the sides of a square, and thus we can say that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by angle side congruency. Now as the triangles are congruent, thus the corresponding parts will be equal, and here we can say that AO is equals to CO. Now as by CPCT, so as AO and CO are equal, thus we can say that AC is getting bisected. Same way by CPCT, DO and BO will be equal, and we can say that BD is also getting bisected, and thus we can say that diagonals of square bisect each other. Now let's check the third part which we have to prove. In third part we have to prove that these diagonals they are perpendicular to each other, and for that we'll consider the triangle AOB and triangle COB, that is this yellow triangle here and this pink triangle here. In दोनों triangle में if we look carefully, OB is common in both the triangles. और AO and OC they are equal because the diagonals bisect each other, और ये हमने just अभी prove किया है. And third is your sides AB and BC, they are equal to each other because these are side lengths of a square. So we can say here that triangle AOB and triangle COB are congruent to each other by side congruency. क्योंकि ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट है तो कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट्स जो है दे विल बी इक्वल. सो वी कैन से एंगल AOB एंड एंगल COB आर इक्वल बाय CPCT. कौन से एंगल? दिस एंगल हियर एंगल AOB एंड दिस एंगल हियर दैट्स एंगल COB. नाउ these two angles are also forming linear pair क्योंकि AC हमारी स्ट्रेट लाइन है. So we can say that angle AOB plus angle BOC this is 180 degrees. तो यहाँ पर अगर हम एंगल COB की जगह पर एंगल AOB पुट करेंगे सो विल गेट 2 टाइम्स ऑफ एंगल AOB इज 180 और एंगल AOB जो है दैट विल कम एज 90 degrees. And as the angle is 90 degrees, so we can say that diagonals are perpendicular to each other, and that's what we had to prove, hence proved. I hope you enjoyed the solution. I will see you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.